got this rock crawling area. Let's lock the front diff, because if you don't know, this car has a front and rear. Now guys, so as you guys can see, we're doing a, so I'm going to have it lower this. Like that. And this car has brakes too, so that's how it guys, that was cool, wasn't it? Let's go to our next episode. I'm going to do this. Give it a bit more speed. So guys, hold on tight. Yep. Unlocking the door. So guys, did you guys like that? Comment down below. So that was quite a good trail. We might actually go back this time. I'm up with this. There you go. Basically, we are right next to a pond. Oh no. Okay. You guys have to use a winch. Okay, so there's a big branch on the back here. Okay, I'm gonna flip you guys over and get this massive branch that's stuck on you. Now I just want to check. Stop. You guys are glued on, and I have no clue how to get you off. There's a bunch of bugs on my car now. But there you go. Hi guys. Yeah, there's a bunch of glue stuck on my car. Okay, so I will be holding the camera. Yep, me. So yes. Let's go. We aren't going to be doing every obstacle in first person, but yeah. So guys, we are going to be standing up here and waiting for him to come up. Hello guys, did you see what's under him? Probably nothing. Okay, so, oh, the wrong way guys, you reverse back. No, not into me, not into me. Go forward. Now I'm going to be up the other side. So guys, we are going to this side. Okay guys, so you will see him come out. No, he is. There he is. So he's let's lock the front lip by knocking this one up one. Front lip's locked. Front and rear. Okay, let's do that one up again. There we go. Easy guys. That was very easy. Okay guys, let's go to the second obstacle. Oh, wait up, wait up, wait up, wait up. Wait up, sir. Hey, wait up. Come back. Come back. Hey, where are you going? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go to the other side and meet you. So guys, he's gonna go up here, through here, behind our trailer. And yeah, he should be coming around here soon. Oh, no clue where it is. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Ow, car! I mean Defender. So guys, I'm going to keep you guys on the ground. Show you what it looks like. Oh, you found this. So yeah, it is windy, so I'll just go hold you. Hello, dude. Okay, now I'll go to here. Okay, mate. You're alright, mate. You guys get the first peek. Okay. Wait, you want me to put the camera underneath here? Okay guys, I'm putting the camera underneath him. Okay. Okay guys, so that is another obstacle. We've got one more just down here. Okay, dude, wait up mate. Wait for me. Hey! I said wait! Okay, now he will be coming up here. I think you guys can see him from oh yeah, you guys can. Guys, what's that look like under there? Car, you need to stop knocking him, don't you? Yes, okay. You need to stop knocking him. Okay guys, we're going to drive back to where we first started. Now I'll see you guys at the end. Now this is going to be something. Okay, I will put the camera here. I will put the camera there. And I will face it at him. Let's stop the radio.
Stay stuck around.
It stayed stuck. Right, guys, in there.
Oil.
Yes. Okay, now guys. Wow. So we're going to put this safety barrier in the road here so we can try and get grip while going up. We need to reverse it back, shall we? So give it a bit more grip. And we can also lower it too, to make it better. Okay, so now what we need to do, put that bit there, and hope that will come up. We might have to get the other side out, because of the other side. Hang on a minute. Unless I take the rear diff off. That'll be good. No. I think I probably can't get it up. Okay, you guys should stand about right here. Okay. Yes! That does help. It's a bit mucky, but it's... Alright guys, we are going to put this back on here. Oh, come on, let me get you out. Okay, there we go guys. So I have to push them back in place. And wish all the best. I'm just hooking these back up with you guys. Yep. Okay, that will be the end of the video. And bye guys. Let's end it.